cucumber mint lemonade. Would you take a sip of this cucumber mint lemonade?
Hi, my haters, Judy here from Just8ate.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make
Cucumber mint lemonade.
All right, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? Alright, let's make lemonade. We need a bowl, freshly squeeze them, pitcher of your choice to make lemonade. Alrighty then, and then we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of lemon juice, half a cup of sugar, which is 118 milliliters. I'm going to go ahead and slice the cucumber. I'm going to use my favorite knife from Chicago Cutlery. Thinly slice them. 1 cup of cucumber. Real quick, are you liking this recipe? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you get notifications when we upload another video. But hey, since you're right there, definitely hit the like button. It helps out the channel, and definitely hit the share button because you might have some family and friends that are interested in this recipe. Or actually you need some mint. And for us, we actually have a mint plant, and this is how our mint plant is doing. An update on how our plant is doing. Anyway, so we need some mint leaves. 1 handful or 1 cup of fresh mint into the mix. We're going to put in 2 cups of water. Now it's ready to whisk with a whisk. Did you know, at the same time, we give out shout outs for the people that comment down below? Hey, my haters, definitely comment down below to let me know if you have tried this drink recipe before. Whenever you have lemons, make lemonade. Have you tried cucumber mint lemonade before? Comment down below to let me know. You've gotten to this point of the video, you know what that means. I really appreciate you because that means you've watched the whole entire video, and so definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever we upload another video. And hey, definitely hit the like button and the share button because you might have some family and friends that are interested in this recipe. Hey, did you know that we give out shout outs for the people that actually comment down below? Yeah, so comment down below to let me know if you have tried this drink before. And that being said, here's the shout out of the week from the last uploaded video.
Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Cucumber mint lemonade. Whenever you have lemons, make lemonade.